The Infinity Professional Crosscut Sled makes your saw a cross-cutting virtuoso. With 12 inches of cutting capacity, this new sled keeps things relatively simple, but has features that even the most complex systems seem to overlook. For solid support, Infinity's sled is built with high-density plywood. No movement, no warping. Then we added a microdot laminate to the work surfaces to create a low-friction contact, making it easier to move pieces on the sled. The finished underside of the sled includes our zero-plane miter bar. Spring-loaded ball detents set into the miter bar ensure the sled will fit tightly in most any miter slot with very little slop. By moving the guide bar between miter slots, you can be ready to crosscut at 90 degrees or 45 degrees with minimal fuss. The overall size of the sled is not too big and not too small. The robust handles provide a secure grip for handling the sled and also doubles as a convenient hanger. With a 12-inch deep capacity for crosscuts, the sled works for wide pieces, as well as small trim pieces. The included flip stop makes quick work of repetitive cuts. It slides along the T-track top rail, allowing positioning anywhere along the fence. When you're done, just flip it up and out of the way. The removable blade guard deflects chips and helps keep your hands safely away from the blade. The included toggle clamp hold down mounts to the top rail for variable positioning and is great for longer workpieces. An oversized swiveling foot and 6-inch spindle accommodates a vast array of workpiece shapes and sizes. Crosscut sleds get cut up, so we've made it easy to replace those parts. A replacement kit includes another sacrificial rear fence and 2 additional zero-clearance throat plates. It's not just for different setups on a single saw, but also varying miter slots on different table saws. Multiple throat plates make multiple zero-clearance cuts that snap. The Infinity Crosscut Sled turns your table saw into a precision cross-cutting machine with the most standard features of any sled this size.